All right, welcome to this part. In the previous lesson, we added a background to the welcome page. In this time, we're gonna add a test to the welcome page. What's gonna happen is that let's add our test first. We're gonna do anchors and center in. Look at that, anchors and center in period. We're gonna do a test that actually says hello username, because then signing in should open a world of possibilities. So I just want to show you how you can integrate a sign in. And so this whole welcome page will just be probably be the main page, and this will be the sign in page, or might just so I just want to, what we now want to do is just show, username, you have actually been signed in. Okay, so it's going to say username, you have been signed in. I mean, when the person is signing in, we shall receive some kind of authentication, all right, from the person. In this case, it's going to be in the main dot main.html, and then we're going to have the person's username. So if we send the Python, it's able to sign the person in successfully, they're going to get a person's username right back from it. So we're going to create a new property. We're going to call it username, and the value now will just be, I just put Godwin, I just put amplify in there. So property string username amplify. And so when we're done signing in, the Python authenticates the person. It's going to tell us the person's username. We could have just used a boolean to say, yeah, you authenticated, but then yeah, username this way. So the welcome page will be using that, right? So test will actually say the person's name, which is username. This variable was created here, and we're using it to say you have been signed. And you can see I have a space here, I put a comma even there. All right, so now we're just going to show it anchors the center in, yes, and we're going to do a 400 pixel size, 16, and then I want to change the color to white. Just so you know, we haven't signed in, but then we put something in there. So click sign in, and it says amplify, you have been signed in. All right, and this is essentially all that we want to do for now. But then when we're done with the Python even then the Python will bring the real name, yeah, and then we have to hard code anything in here. In fact, this would have been completely empty, right? But anyway, yeah, so it's going to be very important when we start with a backend code, or the business app logic, or the app business logic, I like to call it. So see you in the next lesson.